In this video, you'll learn how to find your UID on the Bitget platform. By following these steps, you will successfully locate your unique user identification number, which is essential for various account-related processes. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Bitget. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with a home page displaying various cryptocurrency trading options and features. Next, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a silhouette or a person. Clicking on this icon will present a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings. After that, select the settings option from the drop-down menu. This action will redirect you to the settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account. Ensure that you're on the correct page by checking the page title at the top. Once you are on the settings page, look for the dashboard option in the navigation menu. Clicking on dashboard will take you to a summary of your account, where you can view important information and settings related to your profile. Following this, click on My Profile in the dashboard section. This section provides a comprehensive overview of your account details. Verify that you are in the right area by checking for your account information displayed on the screen. Then navigate to the Profile option within the My Profile section. This will display your personal account details, including your UID. Take a moment to ensure that all your information is correct. Next, find the User ID section within your profile. Clicking on this will highlight your U, making it easy for you to view and note down. Ensure you have noted it down accurately for future reference. Finally, look for a specific user ID displayed on the screen, such as 910-130-3999. Clicking on this ID will confirm its visibility. It is important to keep this number secure as it is unique to your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.